Hey guys! In today's video let's take a look at LG S80QR, a home theater audio with Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and a Max Enhanced. The LG S80QR is a 5.1.3 channel soundbar system that consists of a main unit, a wireless subwoofer and two rear speakers that can deliver a total power of 620 watts. It supports both Dolby Atmos and DTS, X object-based audio formats, which means it can create a three-dimensional sound field that envelops you from all directions. The soundbar has three up-firing speakers on top of the bar, one of which is dedicated to dialogue enhancement. This unique feature allows the soundbar to project voices upwards and reflect them off the ceiling, making them clearer and more natural sounding. The subwoofer delivers deep and powerful bass that adds impact and excitement to your movies and games. The rear speakers are wired to a wireless receiver that syncs with the main unit and the subwoofer seamlessly. They provide surround sound effects that make you feel like you are in the middle of the action. Looking at the design, the LG S80QR has a sleek and elegant design that blends well with any decor. It has a brushed gray metal finish and a gray jersey acoustic fabric that covers the front and sides of the bar. The subwoofer and the rear speakers are compact and easy to place in your room. The soundbar has an LCD display that shows the input source, volume level, and sound mode. It also comes with a remote control that lets you adjust various settings and features. The LG S80QR has a lot of features that make it a smart and convenient soundbar system. It has a room correction feature that uses a built-in microphone to measure the acoustics of your room and optimize the sound accordingly. It also has TV Sound Mode Share, which allows you to use your compatible LG TV's remote control to adjust the soundbar's volume and sound mode. You can also connect the soundbar to your LG TV via HDMI EARC or optical cable for high-quality audio transmission. The soundbar has HDMI inputs and one HDMI output, as well as an optical input, a USB port, and an aux port for connecting various devices. You can also stream music from your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The LG S80QR delivers an impressive sound performance that will enhance your entertainment experience. It has a balanced and neutral sound profile that suits most types of content. It can reproduce voices and other lead instruments clearly and accurately thanks to its up-firing center speaker. It can also create a wide and tall soundstage that fills your room with immersive sound effects thanks to its Dolby Atmos and DTS X support. It can handle low frequencies well thanks to its wireless subwoofer that adds rumble and punch to your movies and games. It can also produce surround sound effects that make you feel like you are surrounded by speakers thanks to its rear speakers that add depth and dimension to your sound field. The LG S80QR is not without its flaws, however. It does not have a graphic EQ or any other sound enhancement features that let you customize the sound to your liking. It also does not produce a very convincing Atmos performance, as it relies on the front up-firing speakers only and does not have any side-firing or rear up-firing speakers. The rear speakers also require a wired connection to the wireless receiver, which may limit your placement options or create some cable clutter. If you want a more immersive and convincing Atmos performance, you can take a look at LG S95QR. For an overview of the soundbar, be sure to check the link in the top right corner. The main difference is the number and type of channels. The LG S95QR has a 9.1.5 setup, meaning it has 9 channels in the main unit, 1 subwoofer, and 5 channels in the satellites. The LG S80QR has a 5.1.3 setup, meaning it has 5 channels in the main unit, 1 subwoofer, and 3 channels in the satellites. This means that the LG S95QR can produce a more immersive and convincing Atmos performance, as it has more speakers to create a three-dimensional sound field. The LG S95QR also has side-firing and rear up-firing speakers in the satellites, while the LG S80QR does not. This means that the LG S95QR can create a wider and taller soundstage that fills your room with sound effects. The LG S95QR and the LG S80QR are both high-quality soundbar systems that support Dolby Atmos and DTS X object-based audio formats. However, if you want a more immersive and convincing Atmos performance, you may prefer the LG S95QR, as it has more channels and speakers than the LG S80QR. On the other hand, if you want a more compact and lightweight soundbar system, you may prefer the LG S80QR, as it has a smaller main unit and subwoofer than the LG S95QR. Overall, the LG S80QR is a wonderful soundbar system that really enriches your gaming and movie watching experience. It has a lot of features that make it smart and convenient, such as room correction, TV Sound Mode Share, and wireless connectivity. It also has a sleek and elegant design that matches any decor. Most importantly, it delivers a powerful and detailed sound that makes dialogue clear and epic moments shake the house. If you are looking for a versatile and immersive home theater solution, you should definitely consider buying the LG S80QR. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.